Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. With extra puzzles. In today's newspaper on Tuesday, April the 18th, 2023, and we have here several puzzles. The first one is a ladder Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have two tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Yes, total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. First one I will start is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 6294. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Well, let me scan the puzzle. We have only one. We have here three twos. We have here 3 threes. We have here, wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fours. We have here 2 fives, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 8, 4 eights. Oh wait, the 4 and the 8s, and we have 2, 3, 9. So the 4s and the 8s are a majority. Can I start with the 4 or with the 8? Let me think which is better. Well, let me start with the 8. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the last row, so in row B3. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here and 8 in the last column, no 8 in that box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between, second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 8. How about the 4 then? 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4, cannot continue with the 4, need to wait. About the 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. 9, 5, 5. 6, 6. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and 9. Okay, here we have 3 missing numbers. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. So 1, 6, 9. So the other numbers should be 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. Okay. 9, 9, 9. thinking. Yeah. 8, 4. Come on. Need a 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need a 7 here. 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Yes, 7 in this column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column be 3. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2. Right. Then let me see. 4, 4, 8, 8. Okay. Think. The 2 should be also here. 2 should be also there. We need a 2 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number in the first column is number 2. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in the second row, so no 2 there. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in the row below, so no 2 there. So the only 2 places left for the 2 in the first column should be here or there. Here or there. We see another 2 in the last row, no 2 there. Only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there, 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, okay. 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Insufficient information. Need to wait for other digits. Yes. Alright. Then 7. Yeah. 5. Okay, 5. 5 there, 5 here. Yeah. 3, 4, 1. Yeah. 9. 9. Come on. Taking too long. 4 here. 4 there. Yeah. 9. 3, 4, 8. Come on. The 9. 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in the third column, so the 1 and the 5 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so 2 pairs here. Wow. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. But we need a 6 in the second row, so that box should be the 6 then. Yeah, can I place it there? Because we have 6 here. Can I place it there? Because we have 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So the 6 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 9 are left. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 9 goes there. Alright, 7, 2, 3. 7, 2, 3. We have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Okay. 9. Well, then 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 7. Okay. So here two miss, no, 1. We have a 1 here. I marked those two boxes earlier with the 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. No. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Need to wait. We have a 7 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 8 here. 5, 8. Okay. 11 minutes passed. Okay. Come on. We have a 7. 6 and a 7. We have a 7 here in this row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 6 goes there. Oh, my pencil. Okay. 7 here and a 6 goes there. No 6 here. 6, 6, 6. 6, 6. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Let me mark those. Okay. So the 3, the 4, and a 5. No, 3, 5, and a 9 are missing. 3, 5, and a 9. 9, 9. 3, 5, and a 9. 3, 5, and a 9. 3, 3, 3. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. No, we have a 1 here. The 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. And look, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So the 3 and the 9 are left. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Alright. 9, 9. Okay. 9. 9. Oh, 9. Okay. 7. Well. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. Ay. 6, 6. I need a 6 there. Well, we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. That means here we have a 6, here we have a 6. That means in this column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. Here can be 6 because we have 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. Here can be a 6 because we have 6 in the row above, so no 6 there. So the 6 in this column could be here, could be there. Alright, 6. 1 is missing. 3 is missing, yeah. 4 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this column. So no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. 1 is missing also, and 7 is missing. 3. Yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in one of those two boxes in that column. So the column between middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Alright, so 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Here also 1 box left in this middle column for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 4, 7 and the 4. Alright, we have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here's 7 in the column next to, no 7 there, so the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 cannot continue with 7 now. Need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers in the middle row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this big square. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6 again, 1 and the 6 again. Then 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And now the 9 in the third row, the 9 in the second row. From the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 1 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the last column. So the column between. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 6. We have a 1 now in the first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Well, cannot fill this yet. Well, surprising. Here also 4 and the 8 in this row. We have 8 in the third column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the first column, so the column between second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers, 3 and a 7 again. In this big square, we have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well, 19 minutes. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4 Stars Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.